Now that I'm done using it, I figured I'd make a quick little product review to show people what they're getting when they buy this Bondo long strand fiberglass reinforced filler, sometimes also called Bondo hair. As you can see, I am attempting to install a hood vent on my '88 Pontiac Fiero GT, and I am using the long strand fiberglass filler to fill in the big gaps because I got a little too carried away with the angle grinder and left massive gaps between the skin and the hood vents. My biggest complaint with this product is it spreads like cold jelly even when hot. It's about 95 degrees here in South Carolina today, and as you can see, this stuff, even with no hardener, just spreads like jelly right out of the refrigerator. It does not spread easily at all, so you have to put on gloves and pack it into the cracks. You can't just spread it with a spreader like you can any other body filler. And also, this stuff cooks off super quick. Even when I added fiberglass resin and even putting this stuff in the refrigerator to try to slow it down, it hardens in like 5 minutes with the recommended mixing of the hardener cream that they provide with the can. So this stuff is very difficult to spread and it hardens extraordinarily fast. So I would avoid using this stuff unless you absolutely have to cover massive gaps like this.